Hi there everyone. Okay, it's winter in Canada, but we're pretending that you're on a driving test and the examiner wants you to do a 3-point turn. Now he doesn't have to use the term 3-point turn. He usually says turn the car around here, and you have to know it means 3-point turn. So here we go. Signal to the right, check the mirror, right shoulder, get close to the curb or a snowbank and make a complete stop with your wheels absolutely straight. Try not to do this in someone's driveway. Okay, now we're not all that close to the stop sign, so it's okay to do it right here. Signal to the left, get all the turns in to the left, check the mirror, check all around, make sure it's good. Now the idea is to get over to the other side as close as possible to the snowbank in this case. Get all your turns in to the right, and of course put the gear selected to reverse. Get all the turns in, check while you're backing up like crazy. If you hit the snowbank or the curb, you're done. We have sufficient room, so you stop, place the gear selected to drive, get all your turns in. You can actually move and turn the wheel, but it's best for you, especially if the roads are skinny, to just stop, get all your turns in, then you know for sure that you're gonna make the turn. I've seen people fail their driving tests because they actually hit the gas a little bit too hard and they could not get the car turned around, so of course they hit the curb, they fail. Don't let that happen to you. So go practice and go pass your driving test. Hope you learned something there. See you in the next one. Bye for now. See this car backing up? At least he saw me.